It's Ivan's time for Dollar General's any day deal, and we need food today because we can't eat laundry detergent. So let's go. Guys, in their circle, the first thing we're going to look at is the Mountain Dew Bajas 3 for $12. Let's look at those. The first place we're going to stop, though, is right here at the cooler because you're going to pick up 2 of the Mountain Dew cans for $1.25. So pick 2 of those up because they're going to go with those 3 for $12. Right here. And then, so what we're going to do is scan the can because I want to make sure you see that these match. And they are $1.25. Let me clean my phone off. $1.25. And then the spend 14, save $4, which doesn't expire to $4.17 attaches. So that's why you need those 2 cans. We're going to round it out to $14. Now let's go around here. Now we're going to come around here to the liquids right here. And we're going to scan my kids like the around here to the sodas. We're gonna scan the Mountain Dew Baja. Now guys, you guys know it makes a difference when you scan each one of these, okay? So that one is $8.25. We have the spend 14, save $4 on Mountain Dew, and then we have the 3 for $12 on Wild Cherry Mountain Dew Baja Blast or flavors 12 packs, and then we have the 2 for $15 Pepsi Mountain Dew or flavor. Now pay attention, see that 3 for $12 and it specifically says Mountain Dew Baja Blast. That's what you have to pick up. You cannot pick up one that is not a part of that group, okay? So what you're gonna do is 3 of the 12 packs of Mountain Dew, 3 for $12, and then you're going to do 2 Mountain Dew cans at $1.25 each. So let's do the deal. So the cans are the Mountain Dew 3 for $12, plus it's $1.25 for each Mountain Dew single can, which takes you to $14.50. Now you have that spend 14, save $4. We're going to take $4 off of that, leaves it at $10.50. Divide that by 5 products because you have 3 12 packs and 2 single cans, take you to $2.10. First of all, this is $2.10. That's an awesome deal right there by itself. So that's the deal, the first deal we'll be grabbing, okay? Kids is really getting a treat with spring break for me. I'm going to come here to the fridge, and of course you guys know the kids love waffles, so I'm going to grab a couple of boxes of waffles. I already put a chocolate one in there. Let me get one more. I don't have my blueberry waffles. Yep, I wanted some blueberry waffles. They don't have them. So the waffles are originally $3.50. They're going to be clearance style. They're going to give us a 50-cent instant off on those, so make them $3 each. And I do not have those waffles. Wow. What are these? Just the little waffle sticks. So we got those blueberry waffles. So I have 3 of those. Those are $9 each. Then we're going to come right here. But let me scan it and show you all. Okay, it's $3. They're originally $3.50. That's the instant coupon that's applied to them. Now you're gonna come back in this fridge because what they have next is they have these right here. The tombstones are also 3 for $3. So they took 25 cents off each one of these, which the boys do eat these. So I think I gotta get 6 of them, and then that'll be enough for 2. Okay, let's scan it. And when we scan, it's $1.25, but they have an instant offer of 3 for $3. Next, we're gonna go to the banquet pot pies, and we're gonna scan that because I think they're $1, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they're $1. The banquet pot pies are, and it's no deal. Oh, okay. So I can grab 4 of those. Next, we're going to pick up 2 Red Baron pizzas. They're 2 for $10. Make sure you scan and see if there's any kind of offers with it. Wow. What the heck? Okay, $5.95 each. They're on sale 2 for $10. So we're going to pick those up. That's the instant offer that they get. Now, Totino's have a deal with their spend 8, save 2, and the boys did not eat those, so I'm not going to mess with them again. Okay, we're gonna look at the chicken noodle soup at Campbell's. It is $1 a can. The home style one is. So let's scan that. Okay, excuse the noise in the back. $1, no instant. So they are $1. They are always that price. But I don't know if that's that's the 10.5 ounce. This is really small compared to that one, the kitchen classics. So I'm trying to decide which one I want, or I might not get it at all. I'm not gonna get that at all. The cans are super small. Okay, next guys, we're gonna come right here. And you see these tuna, these little snack to go. I don't eat tuna, but my boys do. And I learned they snacked on this. I'd rather for them to eat something with some type of good nutrition value in it. So they are $1, and they have the crackers to go with it. So I'm gonna grab this 4 of these for them. They're $1 each, so I'm gonna grab 4. I always scan to see how much it makes sure. See, they're originally $1.50, so they're $1 today, and that is the deal. Okay. Don't forget they have the tunas. That's 4 for $4. Ooh, look at that can. Starkiss. This tuna is 4 for $4. Now, if I want to, I can grab 4 of these and make tuna and crackers. That might be a better option. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab 4 of these and make tuna salad with it. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put those back. So I'm gonna make 4. I use these, and then they can dip their own tuna out. Okay, so that's a better deal. But look at these little things, guys. These are called Smart Bowls, pasta and beans with tuna. Zesty lemon. Okay, so the boys said mayo, mustard. I guess I'm missing all the condiments. But it's when they are home is that when all the condiments are gone. So let's scan the mayo. $4.75, nothing to it. I'm gonna grab what I need, just what I need. Thought something over here had a deal. It's $5. Here it is. Save $1, so I'll get the Hellmann's mayo. Okay, so this is how we looking. I have the Red Baron pizzas, 2 for $10. We have the Sunkist, Starkist tuna, $1 each. The Baja Blast is going to be $14, but we'll be paying $2.10 for a 12 pack. These are at $3 each, and I bought 4 boxes of them because they're going to finish those off. Then the condiments didn't really have a good sale on them, so I got the cheapest ones. I'm not brand loyal, only with mayo. I think I'm brand loyal. The banquets are $1 each, and I got 6 of those. And then the tombstones are 3 for $3, so they're $1 each. Also, when you buy 3, okay. So that's my cart now. And I picked up 2 things of bologna, which let me scan it because I thought the turkey bologna was $3 and they wasn't. Okay, $3 and nothing else. Okay.